I believe that I found one of the most obvious plays in crypto right now that I can't help but continue to share more updates with my community on, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're talking more about Bitcoin DeFi, an update on some of the tokens, why I believe that Stacks is going to be a top 10 chain in terms of total value locked up. It might even be in the top 3, could take the number 1 spot even in non-EVM chains. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, then you're going to want to watch this thing to the end because, guys, I found 3, 5x, 10x opportunities. In fact, right now, my 10x opportunity is at 11x, and it is still growing. And honestly, guys, I think a lot of these plays are very early, so you're going to want to tune into this one. We don't do financial advice here. I'm not telling you what to buy. That's not what we do here, but we are sharing with you guys what we've been learning in this space and some of the things that I've come across. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip, and I want to share with you guys some of this information because it's pretty crazy. Looking at Bitcoin today, we're at $51,300. We're still hanging on. We are in a bull flag shape for Bitcoin right now, which is spectacular. If you zoom in on the charts, you will see these are the weekly candles. Let me get down to the 1 hourly candles for you. Why not? And we'll do it this way. Let me go auto fit the data and let's zoom out a little bit and show you what this bull flag looks like. Right now, we're in a very nice pattern. And I was saying yesterday, who knows? Maybe this thing came up and out. Maybe we ended up going like this, where we kind of come up and come back down and kind of play in this range for a little bit. But this is a bull flag, guys. Typically, you would see this break to the upside. No guarantees, however. The craziest thing about this is Stacks is basically either at a make or break moment. This is what me and my partner on this channel have been talking about so much on this channel, is Stacks right now is literally at either a double, you could even call it a triple top, or it is possibly at a moment where it's about to enter in price discovery mode. And if it does enter into price discovery mode, then this is probably what you're going to see Stacks do. This is Gus. This is a meme token that I was very skeptical about. And frankly, I still am. It's a $4 million market cap now. I got in at $800,000 market cap. So I've already had incredible gains. So not even at 10x gains yet. So still making more upside. But we are finding a lot of upside on these plays. This thing is literally, as I'm doing this recording right now for you, in price discovery mode. And people are speculating that there might be more room to grow. What you're looking at here is WELSH. WELSH is the Dogecoin of Bitcoin, possibly the next Dogecoin. This is DeFi being built on Bitcoin, guys. And if you look at the last 7-day gainers, you will see 400% gains, 252% gains. If they had a month category here, you would see 10x gains. Gus did 10x gains over the last 30 days. In fact, it is at 11x gains. And we've been talking about it for the entire month. There's so many things being built right now on Bitcoin, and it's just because of one thing that's going on, right? A couple things, right? One, we're in a major upward trend for Bitcoin and crypto. We've seen Bitcoin be printing gains month after month right now. Right now in February, it's up 21%. People are wondering, can we get a cool off? We don't necessarily need to. But here's what I'm predicting, guys. When you look at the total value locked up in this ecosystem in the non-EVM chains, Stacks is climbing. It is ranked number 13, and I believe that we are going to see this flip every single other chain here. The only ones that might outcompete Stacks is Bitcoin and Solana, but honestly, I expect Stacks to flip Solana. I really do, guys. I think there's a lot of 50x, 100x opportunities within Stacks. And what is being built in Stacks? Well, it goes back to Alex Labs, like I was telling you guys about. Arcadeco is another project within there that we've been talking about on this channel. When you do look at what's going on in this space and you want to look at the variety of tokens out there, I'd urge you to go over to Alex Labs and look at some of the tokens that are being listed on here. There's not a lot of tokens listed on this thing, which tells you how new this thing really is. Here's some of the other projects out there in the space that are very low market cap. These coins right here, Borden and Biddy, they're meme tokens, guys. There's not real utility with these things. There's not a legitimate project behind them. These are meme tokens. It's a highly speculative play. Under $1 million market cap. Biddy, under a 500K market cap. Gus is only at a $4 million market cap. And you look at WELSH. WELSH right now is at a $66 million market cap. Can any of these coins get up to $66 million? I don't really know. But let's look at some that I do feel like can easily get to a 66 million. Let's look at Orange. Orange right now, it says it's at a 600K market cap. I don't think that's actually true. I think it's actually at about a $12 million market cap. So we do have to be skeptical of some of these market caps because I believe this market cap is wrong. But I think that this market cap should easily be as big, if not bigger, than WELSH. Maybe WELSH is the one, right? Like Neo in the Matrix, the one, right? Maybe this is the next Dogecoin, so maybe that's a bad example. But Orange should certainly be bigger than the market cap of Gus. It should certainly be bigger than the market cap of Leo, of Biddy, of Borden. You want to look for legitimate projects. Right now, most of my bags are in these, little meme coins, right? I got about a good position in Borden. I've got a huge position in WELSH, and I've got an even bigger position in Gus, not because I put more money in Gus, but because Gus has grown more than anything else, and it's been absolutely incredible, guys. So keep an eye on these. Gus is actually still, now you just saw it, right? It was at 0.00039. Now it's at 0.00404, still growing. Dangerous to get into that at price discovery mode. This one's not even back to price discovery mode. WELSH could be the next Dogecoin, guys. I've got a huge eye on this. I think here's the craziest thing about it is if you're not into meme coins and any of that, I get it. But here's what you need to understand. ETH is huge. It's a giant iceberg, and underneath that iceberg is a bunch of layer 2 solutions and dApps and NFTs and DeFi. And it's 28% of the market cap of Ethereum is what the DeFi ecosystem consists of. Bitcoin is now at $1 trillion, and it is not even close to having 28% of its valuation in DeFi. It has a lot more upside, and if you're missing it, you're going to miss the biggest trend in crypto, in my opinion, maybe since the rise of Bitcoin back in the inception days. Here's one more thing to consider, and the last thing I'll tell you guys today. Look at these stablecoins out there. Look at stables on DeFi Llama, and you look through this. What don't you see? You don't see a Bitcoin stablecoin. And that brings us back to Arcadico. I think Arcadico's stablecoin might creep up here. There's a chance, guys, that Tether or USDC find a way to bridge over to Bitcoin, and then you're using that within Bitcoin. I mean, you can already use USDT within Bitcoin, and so in that sense, it's king. It's just king, right? The king stablecoins are the king stablecoins. But I wouldn't be surprised to see one of these other stablecoins within Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem, like a truly decentralized stablecoin. That's the key. We don't have a truly decentralized stablecoin. That's one of the big problems with a lot of these plays. We might see something like that, a truly decentralized stablecoin creep up into the ranks here, which tells you, okay, so where's that going to come from? Well, it's going to come in some of these plays, maybe like Arcadico within Bitcoin DeFi. And yes, Arcadico is a token that you guys could buy. Here it is. It's actually doing tremendously. If you look at the chart, boom, it's making all-time highs right now. Why? Because this could be in its future, guys. This thing could be a top stablecoin, a truly decentralized stablecoin. It's a wild world, guys. It's very complicated, but it's brand new. That's where a lot of the gains can be made. I'm more bullish on it than any other ecosystem because Bitcoin is king, and Bitcoin DeFi should be king for that very reason, especially considering the Nakamoto upgrades coming. Transactions are going to go down to 4 seconds on Bitcoin from 10 to 30 minutes or even days sometimes. We're going to come down to 4 seconds, and we're going to go down to Cronos level costs. It's incredible. I'm excited about it. If you're missing it, you're missing it. Not telling you guys to buy it. I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy some of these tokens. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, and I want to urge you guys to do some research. I can urge you guys to do some research. I can't urge you guys to buy tokens, but I can urge you to open your eyes, look around, see what's out there, see what makes sense to you, and if something makes sense to you, well, we got a bull market coming, guys, and I'm getting ready for it. Are you? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and as always, folks, friends, family, got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here. Bing, bing, boom, boom, if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.